Essay on Peacock. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds on earth. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is found all over the country. It has a long neck. It has long feathers with bright eyes. It has long legs and a crown. It is very grateful. Peacocks eat fruit, berries, grains, small mammals, reptiles, small snakes, and insects. They like ants, crickets, and scorpions. The peacock is dark blue in color and it is a delight to see them. It feels very happy when it sees dark clouds in the sky and then dances with joy. They are generally found in fields and gardens where there is warm temperature. That is why it is mostly found in states like Rajasthan, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.